Hello guys, are you aspiring to prepare for competitive examination which is based on subjective nature? Secondly, are you searching for a foundation, a strong pillared foundation that is necessary for the preparation of such subjective nature examination? Then your wait is over because we have come up with a new Prarambh Foundation batch which is especially designed for the college going students for 3 years का time. आता हे फाउंडेशन तुम्हाला का गरजेचं आहे? First is your comprehensive syllabus which is very vast and which is very depth. Secondly, such kind of examination not only demands the knowledge, but it also checks your awareness, the ability to take decisions, and the ethical perspective that you maintain while you are solving any kind of challenge. The third most important aspect of this examination is how efficiently you are able to manage your time, and that too in a disciplined manner. And that is why we have designed this course in a very specific time phased manner so that your progress would be tracked at each stage, whether it is a week, whether it is a month, or whether it is a year. Let's take an example. In the first year of this foundation course, you would be getting an overall foundation of this exam perspective. इथे तुम्हाला ओरिएंटेशन दिलं जाणार आहे with respect to exam plus with respect to syllabus. Beyond this, ऑप्शनल कुठला निवडावा, कसा निवडावा आणि कुठल्या बेसिसवरती निवडावा ह्या सगळ्या करता तुम्हाला गायडन्स प्लस असिस्टन्स प्रोव्हाइड केलं जाईल बाय एक्सपिरियन्स्ड मेंटर्स as well as the top faculties of India. The third and most interesting aspect of this first year is that you would be having the interactive programs and activities which are quite interesting and would give you in-depth knowledge what is the practical scenario at the ground level administration. So इथे तुम्हाला opportunity दिली जाईल की तुम्ही site visit करावं, especially for those students who are living in Pune. The second year of your foundation program would be starting with the core preparation of your GS subjects. म्हणजे GS1, GS2, GS3 आणि GS4 शी रिलेटेड जेवढे सर्व काही सब्जेक्ट्स आहेत त्या सगळ्या सब्जेक्ट्स साठी तुमचं प्रिपरेशन केलं जाईल इन ऑफलाईन ॲज वेल ॲज ऑनलाईन मोड, दॅट टू ऑन वीकेंड्स ओनली, सो दॅट तुमचं जे कॉलेजचे क्लासेस आहेत ते मिस नाही होणार. Beyond this, you would be having the weekly prelims test series, mains test series, as well as the recorded lectures of the sessions taken by the top faculties. Thirdly, you would be also getting the personalized plus customized mentorship depending upon the availability of your time. And the third year, which would be the most advanced year of your preparation stage, is a year where you would be preparing for your optional subject in a very comprehensive manner, completing the paper 1 plus paper 2. Secondly, इथे तुम्हाला एसे पेपर साठी पण ट्रेनिंग दिली जाणार आहे. And third, the most important aspect, that is the CSAT preparation, which is required to qualify for your preliminary examination. The most important element of third year of your foundation batch would be the strategic PYQ analysis that would be done by your mentors as well as the faculties in the class itself. Beyond this, there would be an advanced revision sessions also. So consuming all of this is a comprehensive and integrated course, plus the special focus is on college going students so that त्यांचं प्रिपरेशन लवकर स्टार्ट होईल and they won't be required to give the special time after their graduation for their first attempt. All of these tailored activities you are being getting in a very structured manner and in a phase-wise manner. Each and every week, mentors would be tracking your progress and mentoring you on basis of this progress. So it is quite result-oriented program. So this Prarambh Foundation program is starting right from August 2025. For more further queries, you can follow the description box given below.